The JBA standard high caster upper control arms are made to fit your Toyota Tacoma, model year 2005 and up, your 4Runner 2003 and up, or your FJ Cruiser 2007 to current model year. Designed for the weekend warrior, these control arms have 3 degrees of built-in caster, resulting in more A-arm to spring clearance. This gives you up to 1 inch more down travel than factory UCAs and better highway stability. Models feature the bolt-in JBA manufactured ball joint with a grease fitting for simple maintenance, 2-piece synthetic elastomer bushings, and a final process of powder coating in JBA red. Designed and manufactured in the USA. Crafted with American-made steel. High-quality bushings built to our specification by our friends in Australia. All to give you the exceptional quality, fitment, and performance you expect in a control arm. JBA control arms are chosen by many professionals and off-road enthusiasts. Visit us today for more information.